Hey, it's Goja. It's one of my most beautiful friend ever's birthday. I want to wish happy birthday because it only comes once a year. And Brenda Vang, this is you. Your birthday video, like I promised. But you know that you mean a lot to me. To have you in my life is actually really cool. My life's been you changed my life. You actually changed how I live. But I hope you know that you're beautiful and you deserve to smile, especially smiling because you really do, and that smile of yours it's beautiful. And it's good to see a person like you smile, especially one of my personal best friends. Smile like that. And like I said, it is your birthday today, so you enjoy it, have fun, and shut it down like Drake is saying because you shut it down anyway. But yeah, you have fun on your birthday, smile, be strong, and a couple words from me doesn't mean anything, you go and you have fun out there, especially because you and Cali, they party hard in Cali, so yeah, you have fun with whoever, and unfortunately I'm not there with you, and I'm sorry for that, sorry for the inconvenience. If I could be there with you, I would be there with you right now, celebrating it for you, with everyone. I'm sure that everyone wants to be there for you, and especially me. Hopefully, one day, we will see each other, and that will change. And hopefully, one day we do get to spend a day together, and hopefully, our relationship will change. But there's nothing better than actually seeing you smile on your birthday, and of course, it only comes once a year. So hopefully, I get to spend it with you at least once. Best friends like that do deserve to, be with each other at least one time. And I'm sorry, like I said, I can't be there with you right now. But just keep waiting. Hopefully it'll come true. So I'm wishing on it. When you blow the candles, you probably want to wish on it too. But yeah, you're awesome. You're really beautiful, and of course you deserve it. Even though I'm not there celebrating with you, always know that I'm always with you. And I love you, and well, it's your birthday, like I said, smile because, dude, who doesn't deserve to smile on your birthday. But yeah, you're awesome. Keep doing what you're doing because it surely is changing your life, but in a good way, not in a bad way, but you're awesome. And I'm glad to have you there with me. But keep doing what you're doing. Shut it down, have fun, drink responsibly, because I know what you be doing. I'm playing. But yeah, for real, have fun out there because it's your birthday. You deserve a lot. If I was there, I would give you probably everything. If I had that much money, I would. But you're awesome. Keep doing what you're doing. Stay strong, especially you. Mostly, you be shutting them down any day. But happy birthday, Brenda Vang. Stay beautiful. I love you. Brenda Vang, this is for you. It's your birthday today, and I decided to make a little extra special and post a video for you saying, your birthday wishes and all that. Well, for me, to you, Brenda, I actually really do enjoy having you in my life. For a person to have you in their life is actually really awesome. I'm glad I have you in my life. And, it's been exciting having you in my life. It's been awesome. But anyways, you're beautiful and gorgeous. I wish I could take my time and spend your birthday with you, but unfortunately, I can't, and hopefully, just because I can't doesn't mean anything. I still love you down deep inside. But I wish I could have spent this day, with you, especially this day, because it only comes once a year. We haven't met yet, but hopefully that'll change in the future. Hopefully I see you. And we can both shut it down, what Drake is saying. But today, you need to shut it down because it's your birthday. Let me tell you that you deserve to smile. That smile of yours deserves to be seen. And hopefully it does be seen because, well, your smile is one of a kind. What am I saying? Your smile is awesome. You're beautiful. Like, everybody's saying, you're beautiful, gorgeous, awesome. If I could find the right words, I would find it, but I really can't right now. And you're awesome. To have you in my life, it's awesome. I can't say more than you, but it's your birthday. It comes once a year. Enjoy it. Have fun. Drink responsibly. Be careful out there. Be safe. But more importantly, have fun. And please smile for me because, Lord, it is your birthday. And I want to wish you a happy birthday from me to you, Brenda. And if I could be there to celebrate with you, I will. One day that will happen, but just not today. But like I said to you, you keep smiling. Be strong. Be strong. You know that. Be strong. Keep smiling. Be strong. Like I was saying. Keep your faith in you because I got faith in you. Remember, I'm always here if you need me. But yeah, please smile. It is your birthday. Everybody deserves to smile on their birthday. Come on. And hopefully, I'll see you soon. All right? I love you, Linda. Happy birthday from me to you. Happy. birthday. May your best wishes come true. Bye.